Hi everyone. So this is the interesting project. This is the drawing online project where I can create my own drawing room and I can share and invite others in the same drawing room, and users can interact with multiple devices in the same drawing room. And drawing room is nothing but where the admin or the user who have created that drawing room can share with others, and multiple users can access that url where multiple users from multiple devices can draw in the same ui. So this is my project, your front end url. And if I create a new, then this is the name where I can give name as Dheeraj. And if I click on create room, it will create a room for me, so I have to accept it. Now this is the one user is active. I will copy this url and I can share with others, and let's share with others. So I scan the code, and this is the admin pc where the admin has created, and you copied url and he can share with others. And this is my another device, multiple device. And if I click my give my name here as Chandan, and I can join the room. Once I join the room, it is showing that Chandan has joined here in the same. So if I draw here anything, it will affect in the here also. So for the multiple users, multiple colors is activated. And this is the user one having the red color was initialized. And for the second user from the other device, he is able to draw. And it is just like zoom meeting. If you see, there is a canvas where everything will be done. And this is the copy url who can share with other user also. And there is a limit that only the within the same network it should be shared. And there is a limit of 5 users only. Up to 5 users anybody can join. And if you say, if I am copying this, I am opening in the new tab. And in the first it will ask it's you or not. I will use my different name as as Sunil. If I join the room, the third Sunil is in the third user, is a third user. So for him also it will be the same ui, same canvas will be drawn. If the user is drawing, this is the third user where the third color is activated for the third user. Okay, so this is the green. If I want to clear entire canvas, clear the canvas. Enter clear the canvas, and you can draw it again. So only for him it is draw. Clear the canvas. Only this block is cleared. If I want to, if I want to download the png, and you can also do that. If I drawn this one, and if I want to download this as the png, you can do that. I have downloaded as the png. I can open from the downloads. If you see here, it is opening. So this is the drawn that I have done. And you can add some more styling that can give you the white color background properly, and you can clear everything just like stylings in html page. You can do that, so it is easy. So made ideology is multiple devices from for the multiple users from the within the same network. And you can draw, or you can interact with others by drawing it, or any text if you want to visualize something. So it is also showing you the multiple devices here also. This is how you can create your own application. That's it. If you have any ideas or ideology, let me know and share with me.